It's time for Don and Ron. You won't get this anywhere else.
All right, everybody, welcome to another edition of Don and Ron. Less Ron, because he's having to see a man about a dog today. What we want to talk about is this 45 J-3 Cub that we're doing for Michael here. He's behind the camera today. One of the things that we do that makes our interior look a lot better, for you guys that have ever done a J3 and gals, normally the corner of the fabric comes up and you've got a little piece of fabric that comes around and it goes around this bar all the way up and down. What we do is we simply come in here with a piece of standard piece of steel, bend a little angle piece right here, and just tack weld it in place. And we build a little bridge where the trim cable and the trim indicator cable goes, so that it's much easier to cover and you get a nice defined corner. So you can just see kind of down through here, it's just nothing real special, just some light gauge steel. And you bend that, make it a little angle. Now we're gonna go around to the inside of the airplane real quick. So, Michael, if you want to step around to the other side, here. I feel like hee-haw. You know how Grandpa used to go through the windows and everybody say, "What's for supper, Grandpa?" Mustard greens, possum, and cornbread. But today we're talking about, of course, this airplane. Now, if you look at the inside, what we do is we have a strip of 032 aluminum that we just go down through here with, and it matches up to our piece of that we have on the backside of the mild steel. And we use flush mount rivets, little countersunk holes. And so now what happens is when you put the fabric and it makes the turn here, the back edge of this aluminum makes a really nice hard edge, and it grabs that fabric in there and holds it in there nice and tight. And when we get through, we rivet it in place. We put a piece of 1-inch piece of fabric over top of it to help cover it up. And then we do our 2-inch fabric to finish it off. So it really makes for a nice corner both here, and if you look on the other side, we do the same thing with this strip of metal. But it's really nice, makes a really nice corner right there. So now it's not all wavy and kind of doing this in and out. And the next place we use the same kind of process is in the back of the airplane, right above the luggage compartment. We've got a piece of mild steel behind here that's tacked in place. And we've got the same little strip of metal with our flush mount rivets. And the same thing happens. It really pulls the fabric into the corner, and now the edge of metal makes a really nice straight line. So a little tip for you on how we do things here at canddaviation. Again, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Reach out to us at Patriot Aircraft LLC, which is our new airplane that we're building. You guys want to check that out in the very near future. And then also canddaviation at yahoo.com. So Patriot Aircraft LLC.com. Send us your ideas of what you want us to look at and maybe show for you guys how we do it. Anyway, thanks again. Have a good time.